Hello, today we're going to be making a ping calculator, so it will calculate the ping of the website. So first, let's import the Python ping. What this Python ping will do is calculate it. So today we're going to be using the ping module. So let's say address equals to the input. Then let's say type the website or the domain name like this. Then let's say the address, then let's say ping address, then the variables equals to, let's say, no, not 10, this will be booleans. Then let's say count equals to, what this count will do is it will count how many times to show. So if I set the count to 1, then you can see it only prints one line. Then what if I set to 10? There we go, google.com. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there should be 10. So I think there's 10 at all. So there is 10. If we set the count to 100, there will be 100. You will think, why do we include the count in here? Can we just do with the for loop? I tried, but for p in range, but it doesn't work. I'll show you. There we go. Okay. With the for loop, it doesn't work. You will think it work, but you can see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's so many of them. So it doesn't work with this the for loop. That's why I think the ping module imported they use this count, I guess. Yeah, so what if we want to loop this forever? Then you can say while true, then it will print all the same time loop. It will print forever. Then what if we stop? Just like over here, there are tons of errors. Then what we need to do is, when we stop, we need to add an exception handler. So let's say try, except every error, then let's say stop, print, stop. You will think it stops over here. No, it won't. I'll show you, because we haven't break yet. There we go. It doesn't stop, but it says stop. But so what should we do is we need to add a break function over here. Let's say break, and then it will go well. Type the website domain name, let's say google.com. There we go. Then when we stop, there it is there. And then we'll add next line, so it doesn't kinda stick with this. Okay, then that's all. You can also add the count over here, but it's not kind of good. It still works. Google.com. It still works. You can see it still works, but it's not good because there's an extra line, a line. I should not say word too. I don't know. There will be extra count there, so we should not use like that. Like this is enough. Then it's done. You can add whatever you want, for example GUIs or something else with TK enter module or turtle. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy, and then I hope you I hope this works. Thanks for watching. Bye.